When it comes to home improvement, window replacement is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Not only do new windows enhance your home's curb appeal, but they can also improve energy efficiency, reduce outside noise, and increase security. However, choosing the right window replacement service in Metairie can feel like a daunting task, especially with so many options available. The key is to make an informed decision that fits both your needs and budget. Here's a guide to help you select the right service for your window replacement project in Metairie. Research local window replacement services. The first step in finding the right window replacement service is to start with local companies. Choosing a service in Metairie means you can take advantage of their familiarity with the local climate and building codes. A local company will also be more accessible for any follow-up questions or concerns that may arise after installation. Begin by searching online, asking friends and neighbors for recommendations, or checking with local home improvement centers for reputable services in your area. Check reviews and references. Customer reviews are an invaluable resource when assessing the quality of a window replacement service. Websites like Google, Yelp, and Angie's List provide honest feedback from previous customers. Look for services with a high number of positive reviews, especially those that mention professionalism, quality of work, and punctuality. Don't hesitate to ask the window replacement companies for references, either. Speaking directly with past clients can give you deeper insight into what to expect during the process. Verify license and insurance. Before you hire any window replacement service, it's essential to verify that they are properly licensed and insured. A valid license demonstrates that the company meets the standards set by local authorities and that they are authorized to perform window installations in Metairie. Additionally, ensure that the company carries adequate insurance coverage. This protects you from any liability in case of accidents or damage to your property during installation. Always request proof of insurance and a copy of their license before moving forward. Get multiple estimates. Window replacement can be a significant investment, so it's wise to get at least 3 estimates from different companies. This allows you to compare pricing and the services offered. Keep in mind that the lowest price isn't always the best deal. Instead, focus on the value being offered. Does the estimate include all materials and installation? Are there any additional fees for removing old windows or cleaning up after installation? Make sure to read the fine print and ask questions to ensure that you're not caught off guard by hidden costs. Inquire about product options. Not all windows are created equal. Different window styles, materials, and energy-efficient features can significantly impact both the look and performance of your home. When selecting a window replacement service, ask about the variety of products they offer. Do they provide a wide range of window styles, such as double-hung, casement, or sliding windows? Are the windows energy efficient, with features like low-E glass or insulated frames? A reputable company will help guide you in choosing the best windows for your home's needs, whether you prioritize aesthetics, energy savings, or durability. Evaluate the company's experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to window installation. A company that has been in business for several years is likely to have the expertise to handle various window styles and complex installations. Inquire about the company's experience with window replacement specifically, as some companies may specialize in other home improvement services. Ask about their process for installing windows and how they handle potential challenges. A seasoned professional will have the knowledge to address any issues that arise during the project. Consider warranties and after-sales support. Another important factor to consider is the warranty and after-sales support offered by the window replacement service. A good warranty ensures that your windows will be covered in case of defects or installation issues. Be sure to ask about both the manufacturer's warranty for the windows themselves and the installer's warranty for their workmanship. In addition, inquire about the company's after-sales support. Will they assist with any maintenance or repairs in the future? Trust your instincts. Finally, trust your instincts. During the consultation process, pay attention to how the company representatives communicate with you. Are they professional and courteous? Do they take the time to answer all your questions clearly? The right company will make you feel comfortable and confident in their ability to handle your window replacement project. Conclusion: choosing the right window replacement service in Metairie requires a combination of research, planning, and communication. By considering factors such as reputation, experience, product offerings, and customer service, you can ensure that you select a service that will deliver high-quality windows and installation. A successful window replacement project can not only improve your home's appearance but also increase its energy efficiency and value for years to come.